Welcome to our comprehensive analysis of Oberlo, a leading platform for dropshipping entrepreneurs. Oberlo is an app developed by Shopify that allows you to find products from various suppliers into your shop. It simplifies the process of sourcing products from suppliers all over the world. Oberlo is designed to help entrepreneurs find products to sell online by connecting them with suppliers around the world. Oberlo boasts several key features. It allows you to import products directly from AliExpress into your Shopify store with just a few clicks. It also enables automatic order fulfillment, which means after a sale, the order is sent directly to the supplier for shipping. Oberlo also offers a comprehensive dashboard for tracking sales and earnings, managing products, and analyzing performance. Finally, it provides a free Chrome extension to help you add products while browsing AliExpress. Oberlo offers 3 pricing plans. The starter plan is free and includes basic features such as automatic order fulfillment and pricing automation. The basic plan is $29.90 per month and includes shipment tracking and order fulfillment monitoring. The Pro plan is $79.90 per month and includes multiple user accounts, bulk orders, and advanced shipment tracking. All plans come with a 30-day free trial. Oberlo is ideal for several use cases. Firstly, it's perfect for entrepreneurs who want to start an online store without a huge upfront investment in inventory. It's also great for existing online store owners who want to expand their product offerings without the risk of unsold inventory. Finally, Oberlo is also suitable for entrepreneurs who want to test new products in the market before fully investing in them. There are several advantages to using Oberlo. It's easy to use and requires no technical knowledge. It simplifies product sourcing and order fulfillment, saving you time and effort. It also allows for easy scalability as you only purchase products after you've sold them. Additionally, the integration with Shopify and AliExpress is seamless, making the entire process of running an online store much smoother. However, Oberlo also has some limitations. It only works with Shopify, which might not be ideal for everyone. There's also the risk of dealing with unreliable suppliers, as Oberlo doesn't have a thorough vetting process. Some users have reported issues with the automation of order fulfillment. Finally, while Oberlo does provide you with a wealth of products, you still have to do your own marketing to attract customers. In conclusion, Oberlo is a powerful tool for dropshipping entrepreneurs. It simplifies the process of finding and selling products, saving you time and effort. However, it's not without its limitations, and it's crucial to do your own research and vetting of suppliers. It's a valuable tool if used correctly, and with the right marketing strategies, can help you run a successful online store. Our key takeaways are: Oberlo is easy to use. It integrates well with Shopify and AliExpress, and it simplifies the dropshipping process. However, it's crucial to vet your suppliers and have a solid marketing strategy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it useful.